One of the big improvements in our recent upgrade has been to the discussion forums. And in this short video, I want to take you through a couple of the ways that it's going to be much easier now to grade discussion forums if you choose to go with the option for whole forum grading. So as a teacher of the course, one of the things that you'll notice when you go into the discussion forums, once you've set them up, is if you've chosen the whole forum grading option, you just have a button here that says grade users. And I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And this brings me to my grading page. Over here on the right-hand side of my page, I have the student that I'm currently grading and an option to go progressing through from student to student. I also, on the left-hand side here, have all the contributions that this student has made to the discussion forum. There's going to be a button for each for viewing that discussion in the context of the thread. And over here on the side, with this option, I can go ahead and just enter the grade here, make a decision whether I want to send a notification to a student this has been graded or not, and then I can save changes and then go to the next student. Once again, giving the grade here. If I make a mistake and give more points than I've set up in the assignment itself, it'll alert me. But this particular assignment set up to be a 10-point assignment. I'm going to go ahead and award 10 points, save changes, go on to the next student. So this is a vast improvement in some ways to grading. You still can go with the ratings option that was part of grading forums in all the versions prior to this one. But that whole forum grading option, I think, is going to make, for some, this be a much easier grading process. Let me take you out to the settings for this and show you how to set this up in your forum. So either at setup or coming into a forum where I've already set up many of these options, the new parts of this are going to be down here under whole forum grading. If I click on that, you'll notice this looked a lot like assignments, so much so that you're selecting simple direct grading, or there's the option here for going with a rubric or marking guide, which I know many of the instructors on our campus have been using for assignments for some time now. But whole forum grading is what I enabled in order to have that grading screen that you saw just a moment ago. The other big difference that I'll mention since I'm in here is the option for availability with a due date and a cutoff date. So the ability to prevent students from posting after the due date without actually hiding the discussion forum is now possible, and I know that was an area that people have been asking for a while. From the student side, not a whole lot has changed with this, but I will show you the one area. If I'm in a course where the gradebook is turned on, I can easily just go into the gradebook and check out the score for this. But in a student role, I also have the option here to view grades. So as Success Kid, I click on my grade. This is going to bring up the grade that I earned on this particular discussion. So that might be a nice feature for some who are already in the discussion forum and I want to see what their grade is. Overall, I think this is a much needed improvement to our discussion forums, and I'm excited how we might be able to leverage these new features.